Well, the other day I said we were going to go out and get an estimate on a paint job and go look at some motorcycles. Well, good news and bad news. Bad news is we went, but the paint job was so ridiculously overpriced. Where is this world gone to? So, I don't know what I'm going to do. Don't know if I'm going to find somewhere cheaper or whatever. But we're also going to see some motorcycles because the motorcycle shop was closed today. So this young lady can get her first motorcycle. Say hello, Randall. And first we got to go to CVS and drop off a package. So, all right, let's get on the road. So we made it to the dealership. Going to go get Randall a new motorcycle. You excited?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, hopefully we get it. And then I get to ride her home because she don't have a license or a permit. Oh, let's go have some fun. The front door. Always the fun part. Ooh, they got more boats in it. Holy Christmas. They got a trifecta. Wow, they got a whole lot of new inventory since we were here the last time. Holy Christmas, they had a big inventory. Well, there we go. Shows the different options you can get. Oh, so you can get different options. I'd just go with all black, unless it's free. Is that the 900? It should say right there. They don't have it listed yet, though. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so this is the 900, but the 600's outside. Oh yeah, that's all you.
And I can adjust.
Yeah. You're still leaning forward a little bit, but your feet reach good.
And when you get some,
Huh?
I can adjust those.
I know. But once you get boots on, it's even better.
That's a big wheelbase.
There's your brake right there. See if you can reach it.
What?
That's your brake. Oh, look, the lights came on too.
Did it?
Yeah. All right, you want to do some paperwork and let's go for it? All right, let's go. So this is your new baby. What do you think? Are you happy?
Yeah.
He's going to come out here and teach you how to ride it. I think you should ride it home instead of me. 1.1 mile. Gotta love that. She is pretty. You want to sit on her?
So what does the, like...
That means the parking brake is on.
Okay.
Yep. So it'll go away when you turn it off. This, you can put it up, adjust it however you want it.
Okay.
Same thing with the foot pegs.
Okay.
If they're too far forward, you just lift up on this, and you can slide them back to wherever you want them. So
Okay.
Well, that's convenient.
Go ahead and sit on it. We'll adjust them.
Well, I'm riding it home, so.
Oh, okay. Then you probably need them forward.
I need them all the way forward.
But yeah, when you get home, just get them set to where you like them.
Yeah.
Reverse, you just pull back on that lever there.
Pull it back.
What is this for?
Oh, that's just
Tape.
shipping tape. Yeah.
Okay.
Didn't see that on it.
So you pull it forward to go and pull it back.
No.
No, back towards you is reverse.
Okay.
So it's in forward right now.
Okay.
Yep.
So it stays in drive?
Yeah.
Nice. Just like your scooter.
Fully automatic. You just give it throttle and go.
49 cc's to 600 cc's. How does that make you feel? Jeez.
I added a wheel too.
And you added a wheel, but you got a hell of a lot more horsepower.
Yeah.
Nice.
When you first start this, when you go to start it, it's going to tell you, I can't remember what it says on the gauge, but you have to go forward with the throttle.
Yep.
And then it'll let you start it.
Okay.
Just to make sure the throttle's not stuck or anything.
Okay.
Sounds like fun. All right.
Fuel tank right there.
Now is there the funnel or something like that? I saw that you have to have a funnel.
There isn't really well, there is a funnel in here, yeah.
Yeah, okay, I thought so.
Yeah, that's what we saw in the YouTube video.
Yep, that was for the rally though.
Yep, this has it too.
Okay. Well, sit on it, Randallin.
Okay.
And you can still get groceries. That's what
Need
backpacks
any,
are for.
Accessories or anything, just let me know.
Cool. Appreciate it.
All right.
What do you think?
I like it.
You
Now
like
I just
it?
gotta learn how to.
I'm telling you, it's just like driving a car. You just get the foot pegs back and you're good.
Later on.
We'll go to Highland when we get home and you can go have fun. Sound like fun? All right. Not sure how I feel about this. Really getting used to 3 wheels versus 2 wheels. It's like, okay. Not sure. It's fun. It's got a lot of torque, but it's like, okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. Easy to ride. Very, very easy to ride. Yeah. I like it, but I don't. And here's Randallin. He's following behind me so we can get it home, and my dumbass forgot my gloves. So my hands are freezing. Yeah. Oh boy. My hands are frozen. This is crazy. She's a lot of fun though. Let's go. Let's get her on. Along the road in front of me, baby. There we go. Make that turn. Woohoo! A little weird taking turns, but I get used to it. But she's not mine. Well, we got her home. That was definitely a different experience. Totally different. You about ready to ride? Maybe. We'll get you on there today, don't worry. So you're the first person in Freeport to own a Can-Am Ryker.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty much sure. Haven't seen any others.
No. How
How what?
can you put it in?
Reverse?
Yeah.
You have to get off the bike. You have to pull the lever and pull it back.
And then I can turn.
And then you can back it right up, but you have to take the parking brake off before you can do anything.
Okay.
Pull it back towards you. I believe you have to lift up and back. I think, I don't know, let me try. Well, that was easier than I thought.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
it says that, take off your parking brake,
This.
that. Oh no, put it all the way down. And now you're in back, reverse, so you, see, now there you go. You're backing up a little bit. I haven't even tried that out yet. Your lights blink when you do that.
Huh?
Your lights blink when you do that. First time riding it, you gotta go backwards. Oh boy. Turn off your blinker. Oh no, never mind. They flash automatically because it's in reverse. And you're not backing out of the driveway, by the way.
Huh?
All right. Stop. Put your parking brake.
Trying to get even.
I know. Put your parking brake on. Push the foot pedal forward.
Huh?
Push that forward for you to take it out of reverse. Push this forward. Take your parking brake off.
I think everything is off.
Your parking brake is still on.
How do you get that off?
And now you can go forward. It's got a lot of torque, so be careful. Do you like it?
I don't know. I've got 2 feet.
Well, I'm saying, the way she sits.
I just want. It feels weird having a.
Definitely feels weird.
I need to learn how to turn.
You're gonna do that. We're gonna take it up to, once you get your clothes changed, we'll take it up to the college parking lot and let you have some fun.
Then I can fit.
Yeah, you can fit in there. Just go slow. riding her new toy. Oh, she's getting on it. Uh-oh, she's getting on it. Give her some gas and go for it. I think she likes it. Give her some gas. Give it some gas. Get up to 30 something.
I don't know if I like this pedal right here.
You can put them forward more if you want. We can adjust them for you. Go for it. Give her some gas. Have some fun. So you got your first ride on your motorcycle around town other than just a parking lot. What do you think?
I'll keep going.
You want to keep going?
I gotta go see Gunner.
Well, we'll go see Gunner in a bit. You want to go for a little bit around the park? Let's go around the park. So what, do you like your new bike? All right. So you did a good job?
Did I?
You did. I think so. Awesome. There you have it.